Well, I have just finished completely recapping the power supply of this Apple IIe. I haven't touched anything on the motherboard yet. I haven't even cleaned the motherboard yet. The keyboard is still dirty enough that some of the keys aren't working. Caps lock doesn't work. Definitely needs more work, but the power supply has been completely recapped, and that's pretty cool because it's the first time I've ever replaced capacitors, period, but certainly the first time I've ever done that many all at once. My soldering is very, very rudimentary, but I'm learning. And I just followed a video that I'll link in the comments here that showed how to test the results of work on the power supply using a multimeter, which is a new skill I'm picking up tonight. And I'm going to try it, and let's see if this computer works now. It was powering on before, but it was unstable and things just were not working correctly. So I knew that the REFA capacitor, the REFA filter in the power supply had blown. It was split open and smelled horrible. That was obvious, and some of the other caps looked a little wonky, so I figured, what the hell, let's dive in. So I'm going to turn on my itty-bitty TV. And I haven't been this nervous in a while. It's kind of late. I'm keeping my voice down. But yeah, I hope I don't short circuit or otherwise blow up my vintage Apple II here. But there's only one way to know if I did this right. So cross your fingers. 1, 2, 3. Hey, we've got the Apple II text on screen, and if I hit reset, nothing happens. But I think if I need more hands for this. But let me try this. Control reset. Hey, we've got a prompt. I think it's working. It's working. I recapped the power supply, and I didn't kill the computer. I don't know if it'll solve the problems I was having with it, but damn, I'm pretty happy. Sweet.